is there something, Genesis, that we could maybe pour in that would apply to all of us to be more individual with our podcast?
Yeah. So ask yourself the question, what are you passionate about? And answer it. And whatever you're passionate about, you could talk about it for hours because it's natural to you. You love it and it warms your heart. Then the other thing is have fun. When I do podcasting, I just like to have fun with it. And whenever you have fun with it, it becomes natural. It's not forced. It's not like you're going to a job or etc. You're doing what you're passionate about. You're having fun. And then the other thing is, yes, if people give you feedback, what I like to tell them is thank you. Remember that feedback is a gift. You can either take what applies to you and learn from it, or if it does not apply for you, discard it and thank the person that they cared enough and put it in your back pocket in case something does come up later on where you can use that feedback. But feedback is always just going to be feedback. And if you think about it in a professional setting, at work, we get feedback. Does all of it apply to us? Yes and no. And if it doesn't, just move on, keep it moving. But remember who you are. And who you are is going to set the tone and precedent for your podcast. And you're just going to be you and have fun. And one way to draw the line in the sand is what things set you apart. And whenever you come up with that, maybe base your podcast around that. Because if it sets you apart and no one else is doing it, then you're going to be an anomaly. Because my podcast is Coffee Chat Style. So sometimes I may be drinking coffee. I'll have a blue cup like today I had tea, I had peppermint tea, or other days, depending on what day it is, I may be drinking wine or whatnot, but I want you to just kind of relax. And when you are relaxed, there's no pressure that is being added onto you. So you're not having that compounded effect. Because if you're going into this with, oh, I got to do this, I got to do that, I got to stand out, you're putting additional pressure onto you and it's no longer going to be fun.